Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. What we have today for today's video, this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate for the month of August. So this box here, it is $49.99 a month, but you are set to get 12 items in here, and 8 of those are full size, 4 of those are deluxe size samples, and you just get a lot of stuff in here. So let's just go right in because there is a lot of stuff and we want to get through it all. So I'm gonna start with this first one here. Oh, it's all smashed. From Skincare by Makeup Drop. It's a super silver haze purifying face mask with cannabis oil. Cannabidiol? Well, CBD. I didn't see that under. With CBD. You know what? I've never tried anything with CBD before, so I'm excited to try this one out. I'm not gonna open it. It has a little thing where you have to like poke it through. So I'll open it once I am ready to get to it. But I'm excited because I don't know. I personally don't know what CBD does to your skin, so I am gonna do a little bit of research before I put it on, but that sounds exciting. I'm gonna go for this one next. It's from Gentle Derm. It is the Cleansing Gel Foam, and I'm assuming this is gonna be a deluxe size sample. It is pretty small. It is a pretty small container. It says from Dr. Oakham's, probably. So, I mean, it's just gonna be a cleansing oil. Then I'm gonna go for this one here. It is from Feel Vitamin E Balm. So for your lips, I'm assuming it says natural skin protective complex of castor seed oil and sunflower wax instantly moisturizes dry lips and skin. So it says and skin. I don't know if you can put it like just on your regular skin if it's dry. I actually do get dry patches. I have one here right now, so I wonder if I can put this on there, obviously with like a Q-tip or something, but let me see. So it does have a little thing like it's for your lips. Oh, it looks like Vaseline. It's clear like Vaseline. It does have like a minty scent, and it's also pretty thick. Yeah, it has like a minty scent, and it's not as oily as Vaseline. It's almost like a mixture of a lip gloss and Vaseline. I'm gonna go for this one next. It is from or by Beauty For Real. It is the High Def Defining Volumizing Mascara. It is a really just plain black tube mascara. So this is the wand. It's actually a very small wand, and the bristles are not your typical like bristles. This is like a silicone brush, and these are like little tiny silicone stubs. They're not, I mean, I don't know if they would be called bristles, but this one, mascara, I don't know how I feel about that type of wand, but hey, if it works. I'm gonna go for this one next. Juliet Has a Gun. It is a perfume. Ooh. It says vanilla vibes in the back. Vanilla meets sea salt. That actually smells pretty good. It's really, I really like this one. What are the notes on here? It doesn't give you the notes of like the scent, but it smells really good. It does have a soft vanilla sweet smell, but not super vanilla-y, if that makes any sense. Then I'm gonna get this one. It is from Koki Professionals Fix It Up SS485 mini spray. So it is a setting spray that's supposed to be long lasting, and it's a travel size. It says on here, extends makeup wear time, matte finish, and shine reducing. So you're supposed to shake it before you apply it to your face, and like they always say, 6 inches away. just so you know you're not soaking your face with a bunch of setting powder. So it's just a little tiny spray. And let's see what that's it. It smells pretty good too. Almost smells like bubblegum. So the mist is pretty fine, but it comes out a lot at a time. Oh yeah, you can definitely feel it. It's a pretty strong mist, even though it's pretty fine, but it's strong, like shoots out. Let's see. Ooh, this is from 111 Skin. Go through this every time. It is from this brand here. And this is the Cryo ATP Sports Booster. What does it say? The regenerative collection works to rejuvenate and refresh tired skin. It says, mimicking the effect of extreme cold on the skin, this booster contains cellular energy, ATP, to encourage optimized cell function. A lax complexion will be reignited to leave it tightened, toned, and refined, while dullness and flushing is concentrated for a fresh, revigorating complexion. From what I know, the serums from this brand are pretty pricey. And this is the bottle. This is what it looks like. It is not a clear bottle. It is like a metallic, cannot see at all inside. So it is, let me see. Okay, just a clear serum. I wonder if you're supposed to shake it. There's like things in there. So it is like a cloudy serum, but I wonder what, I don't know if you guys can see them. There's like little things up here. I don't know what those things are. So I'm gonna try and shake it and hopefully those things go away, because that's kind of weird. What do we have here? This is from Paris, I think that's how you pronounce it. It is the Crème Glacier. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it says from Paris. So I'm assuming that is in French. So let me see what our container looks like. Ooh, that looks fancy. I wonder how much this costs. Look at this. Look at this container. That is nice. This is something that you put on top of your nightstand. No, not your nightstand. Your vanity, or if you have shelves in the restroom, you know, it looks fancy. Let me see. I want to see what it smells like. Ooh, see, even that's fancy. So it has a little tabby thingy where you open it. It's scented. It smells really nice. It does smell, it does have like a perfume scent, but it's really soft. It's almost like refreshing, kind of. And it looks like we are almost done with our items in here. Oh, Complex Culture. That is the brand of these brushes. And it looks like we got another one. This is the Plush Powder. I don't think I have this one yet. This is just a big powder brush. It's really big. So this is our, and then obviously this is a full-size item. Then this is, I'm assuming, a full-size item as well from Real Her. I Am Amazing 24-hour wear eyeliner. And the shade, what shade is this? Probably black, because that is typically what we get in here. So far, looks like it's gonna be, yep, a black eyeliner. And this is one of those twisty ones, like the crayon ones. So, oh, that is really black. That is it there. And I mean, we got one of these different brand not too long ago, actually. So I have like, I'm not kidding, I have a whole box of black eyeliners. It's just so many, I know I'm never gonna get to them. Literally a box. So then we have, ooh, hair mist. I like this one. So this is from Soapbox, and it is coconut milk hair mist with vitamin E. I couldn't take this plastic off, but it's just on there. Let's see what it smells like. I wonder if you're supposed to shake it. I shake everything. Is that just me? But I shake everything. Ooh, that smells good. That smells really good. It smells like milky coconut. It really does. It smells really good. But let me see, is it just Spread as much as desired, 6 to 8 inches away. Oh, that was not 6 to 8 inches away. From wet or dry hair, tousle hair to distribute. Enjoy hair that is shiny, hydrated, and infused with subtle coconut scent. So I guess it's just to give you shine and give you like a nice scent to your hair. It does smell good. I mean, this is the last item from the box. It is from Hem's Pure Herbal Extract Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream. I think I received one of these like a while ago, but I think it was a hand lotion. I don't think I got to like actually using it. So let me see what this one smells like. Ooh. Wait, this smells like, who remembers the Victoria's Secret Love Spell scents that they had? That like literally everybody had. Everybody smelled like that Love Spell scent from Victoria's Secret. That's what this smells like. Oh my god, I haven't smelled that scent in like forever. Back when I was in like middle school. That was a long time ago. Middle school and high school. Everybody would have that Love Spell scent. It was like the purplish looking spray and lotion. And everybody would carry it in their backpacks, and you know, just at random times, a whole like whiff of like a whole like the scent will like slap you in your face because it's so strong. And everybody would spray it like throughout the whole day. And that's exactly what this smells like. That is so funny. Just took me way back. And then the very last thing in the box, it is our cosmetic bag. And I mean, this one, it's okay. I mean, nothing special. They have been getting really creative with the bags that they would give us in the boxes. And this is it. This is the one for this month. It's just like a regular bag. It's not even that big. So, you know, so that is it. That is all from the box. I will go ahead and put a total box value here so you guys can get an idea. Okay, just because I don't know how long that noise is gonna last outside. Like, they never work on things like that during the weekend. But then here they are chopping a tree, blowing leaves, whatever they are doing outside. I'm gonna let you guys go really quick. That was all from the box. We got a lot of pretty different things. So let me know what you guys think about all of this down in the comments below. Remember, we paid $50 for the box. So I'll just leave it at that. So I'm all done here. I will be back with another video really soon. And I hope I see all of you guys back here next time. Hopefully without the guy from outside. Bye.